What if I told you there's actual gold inside your body? Not on your fingers, not around your neck, but literally inside you right now. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. This means, in a way, you're carrying a hidden treasure wherever you go. Of course, it's not enough to make you rich, but it's still a fascinating thought. Let's dive into the science behind this strange and wonderful fact. Scientists have found that the human body contains tiny amounts of gold. Most of this gold is dissolved in your blood, but it's also present in your tissues and even your organs. It's not something you can see or feel, but it's there, quietly existing as part of your biology. This discovery has fascinated researchers for years, raising questions about how and why gold is present in our bodies. Before you start planning a treasure hunt inside yourself, let's talk numbers. The average human body contains only about zero point 0.2 milligrams of gold. That's less than a single grain of sand. So, while you technically have gold inside you, it's not enough to retire on or even notice. Still, it's a fun fact to share at parties or just to marvel at how strange and wonderful our bodies are. Here, where things get even weirder, scientists still aren't completely sure why our bodies contain gold at all. It doesn't help you think, it doesn't make you stronger, and it definitely doesn't give you superpowers. In fact, it seems to serve no obvious purpose. It's one of those mysteries that makes the human body even more intriguing. Most of the gold in your body actually comes from your environment. Tiny traces of gold naturally exist in the soil and water around us. Plants absorb these traces, animals eat the plants, and eventually, you eat the plants and animals. So, the universe has been sneaking gold into humans for as long as we've existed, and hardly anyone talks about it. Gold isn't the only precious material hiding inside you. Your body also contains iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and enough carbon to make thousands of pencils. We're basically walking chemistry sets, full of elements that play important roles in keeping us alive and functioning. It's amazing to think about the variety of materials that make up who we are. Here's the craziest part. Almost every atom inside your body was forged inside ancient stars billions of years ago. The gold in your body likely came from gigantic cosmic explosions called neutron star collisions. These events are so powerful, they can create precious metals and scatter them across the universe, eventually making their way to Earth. Think about this. The gold inside you is actually older than Earth itself. Those atoms traveled through space for billions of years, survived the birth of our solar system, and eventually became part of our planet. Over time, they entered the food chain and finally became part of you. It's a mind-blowing journey that connects you to the universe in a very real way. The atoms in your body have traveled an incredible distance. They've moved through space, survived cosmic events, and eventually became part of the Earth's crust. From there, they entered plants, animals, and finally, you. Every breath you take and every bite you eat is part of a story that began in the stars. Humans are, in many ways, complex chemistry sets. The elements inside us interact in countless ways to keep us alive and healthy. From the iron in your blood to the calcium in your bones, every element has a role to play. Even the tiniest traces, like gold, are part of this intricate system. So, while you may not be able to cash in on the gold inside you, it's still a hidden treasure. It's a reminder of the incredible journey your body's atoms have taken and the amazing science that makes life possible. Every person is a unique collection of elements, each with its own cosmic story. The real value of the elements inside you isn't in their market price, but in the roles they play in keeping you alive. Iron helps your blood carry oxygen, calcium keeps your bones strong, and potassium helps your nerves function. Even gold, though mysterious, is part of this amazing system. Knowing that the atoms in your body were once part of ancient stars connects you to the universe in a profound way. You're not just made of ordinary stuff, you're made of stardust. It's a poetic reminder that we're all part of something much bigger than ourselves. Scientists are still studying why certain elements, like gold, are present in our bodies and what roles they might play. Every new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of human biology. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover about ourselves. So next time you hear about gold, remember, you're carrying a little bit of the universe inside you. It's a small amount, but it's a big reminder of how connected we all are to the cosmos. The journey of those atoms, from ancient stars to your body, is nothing short of extraordinary.